After trying many hair loss and hair growth products with little to no results, I decided to do my own research for the best herbs and oils that will stop my hair loss. During my research, I learned a lot about hormone imbalance, stress, alopecia, just to name a few that can cause hair loss. I use lots of herbs for hair growth such as henna, amla, and brainwash. All of the herbs that I named are great for hair growth, but I needed something for hair loss. I discovered stinging nettle. I began making shampoo, hair mask, and tonic. Stinging nettle is a great herb for hair growth. Stinging nettle is a natural DHT blocker. The benefits of nettle: it aids in hair growth. It contains silica and sulfur, and it is a great hair growth herb. I love stinging nettle. My hair has really grown, recovered so much in over a year and several months. I absolutely love stinging nettle. My hair is stronger, it's fuller. It's not super long, but my hair isn't falling out of my head. My hair on the top has grown longer. It's filling in quite well. And I absolutely love my hair. I know I say it all the time, but I do. My hair is thick, it's growing, it's full. I just want to show you my hair. I use stinging nettle faithfully on my hair every other week, along with my anti-breakage mask. I love how my hair is. It's healthy, it's full. I'm maintaining it by keeping it moisturized and sealing it in with my high-low porosity leave-in conditioner. Here in this scene, my hair is wet. I just washed and conditioned my hair, but my hair feels good. I use my high-low porosity leave-in conditioner along with my retained butter to seal it all in. I love the growth of my hair. My hair has progressed so much. It's time for a henna. I truly hope you enjoyed my video, just showing you little clips of my hair and my progress, and just sharing my passion about stinging nettle. Stinging nettle truly is a wonderful herb. It is stinging nettle is naturally a DHT blocker, and I love it. My hair has improved so much. I love my hair. I love the health of my hair. I thank God for blessing my follicles to open up and my hair to thrive and grow. What I am going to do to you, my subscribers, if you are suffering from thinning hair, bald spots, shedding, I would like to give away 3 of my homemade stinging nettle hair masks. This was the first herb that helped me to stop my hair from falling out. I am no expert in this. I just know that I suffer from thinning and balding and breakage, and I have no idea what happened. But through my research, learning about stinging nettle, learning about hormone imbalance, stress, and all of that, and also internally, to have healthy hair, we must change our diet, drinking more water, eat healthy food, take my ashwagandha as well as my stinging nettle to help with hormone imbalance, stress, mood, to help me sleep and relax. So, as I said, I would love to give away 3 stinging nettle hair masks to you. You must be a subscriber. Leave me a comment down below and share your experience with me. Giveaway video of my stinging nettle hair mask. The giveaway is open today and it will run for 4 weeks. I know that's a long time, but I have a small channel. I want to give this mask away to those that are suffering from hair loss. This mask works wonders. It worked wonders on my hair. And like I said, it's the first herb that actually stopped my hair from falling out. And now I am regrowing my hair with other treatments that I do. I will have a video on other products that I use besides my DIYs. And I just want to share from my heart. I don't come on here making videos on how to grow your hair with this treatment and that treatment. I put out real, authentic videos on products and treatments that I am using, my own DIYs. So if you want to try this, as I stated, I will give away 3 to 3 of my subscribers, and leave me a detailed message in the description box about your hair loss and what you're going through, and I will make that decision. I will choose 3 winners in 4 weeks. I'll list a date down below, and this completes this video. I hope it was very informative. You enjoyed it, you were inspired by it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.